Hi everyone, welcome to Lopo TV. This is Leah. Nice to meet you again. Let's guess what are we going to bring here today. As you can see, here we list the kinds of pillowcases. Yes, pillowcase series is our today's topic. In last month, we took 2 videos shot as series for home decoration and helped us to gain a lot of good feedback. Customers said it's a creative way and helped them to know our products more clear. Pillowcase is a very hot and common collection in our daily life, and it is also the most affordable way to do home decoration. It can be used in different occasions, different seasons, different festivals like Christmas or birthday, and it can also be used in different home decoration styles. We just need to print different images to match. It's still with huge demand in the market, so in today's video, we're going to have a detailed introduction of pillowcase cereals. You will see them with variety materials and different styles that Lopo take for our customers. In Lopo, textile series is our strongest part as we have our own sewing factory, so we can do any shape, any sizes you want. And the most popular size for pillowcase is 40 by 40 centimeters. Each pillowcase will go through 4 times strict quality inspection before shipping, so you don't need to worry about the quality and the delivery time. Just follow me to find out which type you would prefer. Okay, now let's come to the first type, which is extremely hot and popular. That's our Lilan pillowcase. We are the first company that bring the Lilan material to sublimation market in 2016, and the special feature of our pillowcase is that there will be a layer of inner lining to keep the case inside won't be stick into together, won't be printed by the heat press. Lilan pillowcase is the best selling in us and more favored by US and European customers. With its natural color and beautiful surface texture, it's warm and dirt-proof, so many customers would like to put it on the sofa or be displayed in a cafe bar, durable for long-lasting use. Another pillowcase with Lilan material is our white softened Lilan pillowcase. It will be more softer than the typical Lilan pillowcase. With good hand feeling and the pure white color could make the printing effect more bright. If you are going to decorate a wedding, then it must be a good choice. We can print the couple's image on to show our best wishes, and this type is also very suitable for bed use as it's very skin friendly. Look, what's the bling bling? Yeah, that's our magic pillowcase, sequin pillowcase, with shiny sequins on the surface to make the whole case more bright and unique. It is also a great item for us to release pressure and for fun. We can easily to flip over the sequins and to make the printing image be appeared or be covered. That's interesting. Our sequins are sewed with higher density and tightly to ensure the printing effect be more clear, and all the pillowcases you will receive is the white sequin side on front. In this way, you don't need to flip it over again but print directly to save your time. There are red, black, blue, purple, gold, rose gold, and silver color for your choice. For the back, we use the very comfortable polyester fabric, different colors to match different sequin colors on the front. The sequin pillowcase must be a great choice for party use. Next is the polyester peach skin pillowcase. It seems like we're touching a peach. And here are 2 kinds, the polyester thicker and polyester thinner. The difference between them is the fabric thickness. The thicker one will be more popular as it's more durable and more comfortable when touching. But in summer, people will prefer the thinner one as it will be more breathable when holding. And if some of your customers care about the price, we will recommend this type as it is the cheapest price. Here is the only type that we can see little charpie on the surface. That's our charpie pillowcase. It feels super nice when touching and very warm, especially in winter. Baby use or bed use are all available. Now let's move to the most luxury and upscale pillowcase, the glossy silk pillowcase. As we all know, the silk material is super comfortable and the glossy surface make it more shiny. This type could be well used as a personalized gift to the eldership if one of your family member who is on birthday or on other important days, and this would be a perfect present. And another advantage it is that it's very light and suitable for air shipping. And last part is the 2 new types of pillowcase that launched in 2021. First is the softened canvas pillowcase. When we're talking about canvas, you may think it is with hard surface instead of soft, but in Lowpo, we developed it as the same soft feeling. Same durable as canvas and same skin friendly as charpie, so it's perfect for bed use. And for the printing, we would more suggest you to try the portrait design. Second is also the newest type poly PU pillowcase. It looks like PU leather, also with PU hand feeling, but actually it is made of 100% polyester. It's amazing, right? That's also why we call it poly PU. It's also a new material to the market with the vintage and the classical style itself. If you like this style to decorate your house, then just pick it. The most outstanding feature of this pillowcase is that it's waterproof and easy to clean. Same durable, so we can use it outdoors. Put one on the swing in the outside yard and then take a good rest. That's really nice. There are pink, blue, light khaki, 3 colors for your choice. There are total 8 types of pillowcases with different materials today, and each of them are washable and with high quality zipper for you to install and remove the pillow filling. We also provide the pillow filling for one-stop solution. Pillowcases have a wide range of uses. Every family will have pieces. They could not be only used for home decoration, but also could be used in restaurant, coffee bar, office, car, and guest room, etc. Each pillowcase will be more meaningful through sublimation. They can be as cherished gifts to the close person that combine with comfort, stylish, and deep emotion. Hope today's video will let you know more about local sublimation blank pillowcase. We keep developing new products, new materials to all of our customers. If you are interested, just click to follow our YouTube channel for further information. Come and join us. Let's make life memorable. This is Leah. Bye.